We're live, and today we're calling a different kind of play, the average formula in Excel, the MVP for crunching numbers fast, whether it's homework grades, sales stats, or any box score of data. You've got your Excel sheet open, numbers lined up in a single row or column like players on the baseline. Now you click an empty cell where you want the result to appear, that's your scoreboard. In that cell, you type equals average, and you're underway. No need to worry about caps, Excel's not calling penalties on that. Now you click and drag right over the cells with your numbers, highlighting the full range, just like circling every player you want in the lineup. Quick timeout, double-check the selection. Make sure you're only grabbing the actual stats, no blank cells, no labels like total or name. If you pulled in too much or too little, drag that blue border to tighten the coverage. Once it looks right, close the bracket, hit enter, and bang, Excel fires back the average instantly. Click the cell and you see that average formula sitting up in the bar, running the offense behind the scenes. Need it elsewhere? Grab the little fill handle, drag it across, and the formula follows the play. Update the numbers, and Excel automatically updates the score. That's the average formula, simple, sharp, and always ready to deliver the winning stat.